In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Beyerdynamic DT 270 Pro headphones. These retail for around $130 to $150, and in the box, of course, you get the headphones, a coiled cable, a 1/4-inch adapter, a USB-C adapter, and a storage pouch. Looking at the design, these headphones have a sleek black and gray finish, foldable ear cups for better storage and portability, velour ear pads which feel quite comfortable, a padded headband, and dual-sided cable plugs, making it easy to adjust your cable to fit any recording setup. Going over the specs, the DT 270 Pros are closed-back headphones with great sound isolation, making them ideal for recording and monitoring because they will prevent any playback from bleeding into your microphone as you record. They also have a low impedance of only 45 ohms, which is great because you can just plug them straight to your phone or laptop and they will get plenty loud without needing a dedicated headphone amplifier. They're also extremely light, weighing only 194 grams, and when looking at its frequency response graph, it has a very prominent bass boost, a dip between 3,000 to 6,000 Hz, and a slight treble boost. So after testing them for over a month, what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend them to? Before I share them with you, if you enjoy reviews like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting with the pros, I'm a huge fan of how lightweight and comfortable these feel. For the past weeks, I've been editing this video, listening to music, and consuming content, and I have yet to feel any sort of fatigue while wearing them. Another pro is having foldable ear cups because it makes it very easy to rest them on your desk or to store them in a book bag, making them extremely portable. In addition, I find that these do a pretty good job at sound isolation, so if you're working in a less than ideal workspace and you don't want to get distracted, or if you're working in a quiet spot and you don't want to disturb anybody, these will be great. Finally, these are just fun to listen to. If you're somebody that enjoys bass, you're really gonna like these for listening to music, gaming, and consuming content. But now, let's talk about the cons. Even though the velour padding feels quite comfortable, the ear pads themselves are not very big. If you're somebody like me with small to medium sized ears, this won't be an issue, but if you do have larger ears, just know the ear pads will be pressing against your ears instead of fully surrounding them, like other headphones such as its bigger brother, the DT 700 Pro X's, or its direct competition, the Rode NTH100. Another con is that even though these headphones are fun to listen to, because of that prominent bass response, they're not very accurate, making them less than ideal for mixing purposes. Nevertheless, Beyerdynamic does have their own plugin called Headphone Lab, which will help calibrate the headphones to have a much more accurate response, at which point they can be used for mixing, but for this review, I'm only judging them on their own and I'm not considering the software. With all that being said, who should buy these headphones? In my humble opinion, I think the DT 270 Pros are mainly aimed at beginners with a focus on recording and monitoring. So if you're new to audio production, whether you're a musician, a content creator, podcaster, or voice actor, and what you're looking for is a pair of portable headphones with good sound isolation so you can hear yourself as you record, then these will be a great affordable choice. However, if you're a mixing engineer or a sound editor and what you're looking for is a pair of accurate headphones so you can make better decisions in post, then unfortunately these are not for you. There are better options out there for those applications, and for that I recommend open back headphones such as the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X. If you want to buy these headphones, the link is down in the description below, and if you want to see how they compare to the Rode NTH100, then go ahead and click right here, and I'll see you in the next video.